Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. I hope you are doing well at home. Children, open your English textbook. Today we are going to do a new lesson. So, children, we will skip Unit 9. This lesson is not needed. So, we are going to do next lesson, that is Unit 10. So, the name of the lesson is, this is a story of a woman, that is Timmakka. You might be heard, isn't it? You have heard, isn't it, Timmakka's name? So, she is a famous woman. Why she is famous? Because she has planted many plants around Karnataka. So, Timmakka is a woman a girl who is born in the Hulikal village, Magadi Taluk. Okay, children. She is a Indian environmentalist. The government has given many awards for her. Lots of awards. She has planted more than 385 trees and banyan trees and more than 8,000 many other trees she has planted. She has got the award, Padma Shri Award, in 2019. She is not even learned, children. She is not even has gone to school. So, but also she has got lot of knowledge. So, children, now let us read the lesson. Timmakka was born in a very poor family in Hulikal village in Magadi Taluk near Bangalore, and so she could not go to school. So she was born in a poor family, children, so she could not go to school. Even today she does not know how to read and write. So children, see, she has not gone to school, and even till now she does not knows to read and write, but she is full of knowledge. So children, y'all have got lots of scope to learn. Means I'm not saying that y'all should not learn. You have got lots of opportunities. Your parents sent for y'all for school to learn. You can grab that opportunities to learn and to become a good person in life. So children, here next, when she grew up, she married Chikkaya, who was a cowherd. So cowherd means who rear the cattle, rearing the cattle. She herself began to work as laborer. Soon after her marriage, Timmakka learned that she would not be able to have a child. She was very unhappy. However, with no children around, she had lot of free time. So children, here, when she grew up, she married Chikkaya, who reared the cattle, and after her marriage she worked as a laborer. She went to the work with her husband, and after that she came to know that she would not get the child. So she was very unhappy at that. She was very sad at that time, and she does not wanted to waste the time. She wanted to use this time. So she decided to do something to keep herself busy. She decided to grow something. So that time she decided to grow something. So Timmakka began to plant trees along the road connecting her village with the neighboring village. She had only one aim, to create life. Yes, children. Timmaka did not wanted to waste the time. She wanted to utilize her time. She wanted to be busy. So she got an idea that she would grow something. So children, she planted trees which connected her village to the neighboring village. She and her husband together planted 10 saplings in the first year. So children, both of them planted 10 saplings in the first year. Next year, they planted 15 saplings and third year 20 in the third year. So like this, children, in the first year they planted 10 saplings. Then in second year they planted 15 saplings and third year 20. So saplings means, children, young trees, small trees. They continued planting more and more sapling year after the year. They started, children, to plant more and more plants. They also began spending a lot of time looking after the sapling. They only didn't plant the children, they also took care of those plants. Just the way parents would look after their children. So, children, here those plants they planted, they just didn't think that they are plants or trees. They protected it like that they are their children. Chikkaya carried water in a large pot for a distance of 4 kilometers to water the saplings. So children, Timmakka's husband Chikkaya carried 4 kilometers, 2 pots to large pots. So not even small pots, large pots to distance of 4 kilometers. Timmakka carried one pail of water on her waist and another on her head for the same distance. So children, here you can see in the picture, she carried on the head and on the waist. She carried it for the 4 kilometers. How painful it might be for her. Isn't it, children? Yes. They planted the sapling mainly when the rain started and watered each new sapling twice a week for one full year. So children, here they started to plant it in the rainy season, starting of the rainy season, and even after the rainy season they water the plants twice a week for one full year. So how many days they watered in a year? By the end of the year, the plants would take roots. At times when one or two died, Chikkaya made sure that planted fresh ones in their place. So children, they not even water the plant, they even saw through that they had when some plants died, they went and planted fresh ones in their place. And they planted fresh ones and they look after them. The two of them together have planted 284 trees already. They have planted 284 trees already at that time. One day Timmakka was shocked to learn that some of the villagers were planning to cut a few of her trees. So some villagers they wanted to cut the trees which Timmakka planted. She was very shocked to hear it. With the help of local police, she stopped them from cutting the trees. So with the help of the local police, she stopped that work. This made news. Many people read about Timmakka's effort to grow plants. This was a big news at that time, and many people read. Almost all know about Timmakka. Her love for plants earned her many awards. So children, she was awarded many awards. Her hut looks like a gallery. The walls of the hut display National Citizen Award of 1995. Indira Priyadarshini Vikshamitra Award of 1997. So Indira Priyadarshini Vikshamitra Award in 1997. Veera Chakra Prashasti Award of 1997. So children, these are some awards what she got. Beyond this, she has got lots of award and certificate. A certificate of honor from the Women and the Child Welfare Department of the Government of Karnataka. So children, she has got many certificates and awards from the government of Karnataka, and a certificate of appreciation for the Indian Institute of Wood Science and Technology, Bengaluru. Timmakka has spent a major part of her life looking after trees and plants. It is sad that she has none to look after her in the old age. So children, see here, she planted many trees, and she got the awards, so many awards, and she was even known as Indian environmentalist woman. She was awarded by so many awards and everything. She didn't go to school, but she had the knowledge. She had more knowledge. So children, nowadays you all have got more opportunities to learn, so you should grab that opportunities. So children, this is the lesson. This is a story of Timmakka, what we saw today. So I hope so you all have understood the story, the lesson of Timmakka. And children, write the notes neatly in your notebook. Let us meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye children.